Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I'm going to make something which is my absolute favorite. It's the hot chocolate bomb. Let's get started. I have some melted chocolate here. And I have a silicone mat, which is really easy when you want to remove the bomb. So we're going to start making by putting a spoonful of melted chocolate inside each cavity and brushing it with the back of your spoon all the way to the top. That's how we're going to do it. It's really important while you're making the chocolate bomb that you have a proper layer without leaving any gaps. Make sure that you brush the chocolate all the way to the top because we want a nice firm layer. I've filled all the cavities of my silicone mold with delicious melted chocolate. I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 25 to 30 minutes and then we're going to remove the lovely chocolate shells. तो मेरे silicone molds में I added the chocolate, I cooled it, I removed it and I filled it up with marshmallow and I've sealed it. I've put my chocolate bomb back in the fridge. I'm going to let it cool for about 10-12 minutes while I heat up the milk to enjoy this delicious chocolate bomb. So I'm boiling a cup of milk and I'm just waiting for all the bubbles to happen and put this lovely warm milk into a mug. And then I'm going to add the chocolate bomb. So my milk is boiling and ready. I'm going to pour it into the cup and bring my lovely cool chocolate bomb from the fridge. So I'm going to run to the fridge and actually bring out this delicious chocolate bomb while you're going to see the magic unfold. So my delicious hot chocolate bomb is ready. I can't wait to try it. It looks so comforting and delicious. Oh my God, the marshmallows have started melting. It's just gorgeous. Please do try this at home and I hope you're going to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I know you're going to love my recipes. Please hit the bell notification and I'm going to send you lots of new recipes really soon. Take care, see you soon, stay healthy, fit and fine. Bye.